everyone. Okay, so I have 4 boxes of my Sew Sampler from Fat Quarter Shop. So I thought, you know what, let me just go through them. I'm going to do 2 at a time. So I have June and July's. So this is June's, and it was called The Sweetest Peach. I never looked at any of the sneak peeks because I was a little bit, you know, not in the headspace to do that. So let's go through it now. I need to clean up this area, so let's go through everything. So let's see, we got Little House. Oh, those are little needles. Let me see. Let's see, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive Little House glass head pins and tin. This is a value of $11.24. $11.25. Oh my gosh, they're super tiny needles, you guys. Super tiny, but the tin is so cute. The tin is really cute. So they can go in there. So $12, $11.24. And then we got the Creative Grids 60 degree Diamond Tiny. Diamond Tiny is worth $18.49. That's pretty good. $18.49 for this. Let me scoot you in. You feel so far away. So I don't know if I have this. I don't think I have this one. So cool, 18 bucks. And then Schmetz 5 quilting needles, and these are chrome, and those are $5.98. $5.98. And then we have this pattern, Peaceful Baskets, and that is worth $4.98. And the pattern this month is called Peach Preserves. This is cute. The Quilted Life is the designer of this one. So cool. And then you get that is worth probably $10. Yeah, $9.98. And then we have the Jelly and Jam Honey Bun for $34.98. That's the value of this honey bun. So pretty good value this in June. So pretty happy with that. Yeah. So that was that one. Okay. So, and then now let's go to July. July had, let's see. So we got the 30s Playtime. There's 3 of them. Wow, 30s Playtime, which I don't mind because I love Lori Holt. So this is by Lindsay Cole McRae at Seems Right. So we get three charm packs, and that value is $35.94. So, oh, and then look, we get a little, I love it. Oh, and it says Sew Sampler. Oh, that's awesome. I love this one. Super cute. I love these things. I have a lot of them because I love them. It says Fat Quarter Shop, and it has Sew Sampler 100. Oh, so it's 100 sampler maybe? I love it. Okay, and then that was worth $7.48. That was a pretty good bargain. Then I love these Woven Star. The little ones are really intimidating to me, but yeah, really intimidating. Honestly, I'm afraid of sewing my fingers. You know, that's one of the things I'm scared of. So I think it's a true fear. This is $9.98 value for this. So, and then let's see, got a couple more. Let's see, and then we got another basket, the Peaceful Baskets. Is it the same? Oh no, they're different. So I guess they're different for $4.98 a month, or $4.98. And then this one is 5 stars table runner pattern. It should be $9.98. Yep. And then we got this marker. What is this? This is a, oh, so this, the little blue glue pen is a quilting classic. It's an adhesive. So it shows 2 here, but I'm assuming you either got one or the other, or we all have that glue. So that's the Sew Line glue, which I have that one. So now we got another one, and it goes in here. So perfect, yeah. So we got We got one. That's awesome. Okay, and then this little, oh, look how cute this little bag is. This is a little bag. It's a little cross stitch heart. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's a round one. Oh, it's like a trash bag. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is like a trash bag you can take if you want, or like a fabric trash, not like trash, you know, you don't want to put your chocolate in there or anything. But oh my gosh, I love this. So if you're quilting and then you have all your extra pieces or whatever, you know, but oh, I love it. And it's a round one. I love it. So cute. So cute. All right, so that was awesome. So that's the 2 month, June and July. I'm happy with what I got. I'm excited. I love it. I'll be back with August and September's. All right, guys, take care. Bye.